chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. Before moving on with the vlog of Kyber Network today, I want you to take two very simple actions. The first one is subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day and to YouTube dashboard that I'm releasing a new video just for you, my friend, every single day with value. And on the last part, or the most important thing you can do is to spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, in the street, at school, for great outstanding content of value made by Chez Satoshi every single day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time from Monday through Sunday. So let's go back to Kyber Network, the topic. I want you to know more about it today. Like I say, my style is to always discover great project spontaneously without preparing. Just prepare myself, but I'm learning at the same time with you, and this is what I like to do, and I hope you find value, that you're going to spread the content about it. So let's go see Kyber Network. What is Kyber Network out of the box? And this beautiful screen that they have two colors, green and white and black. All the website I have lately, I see a trend that they always three major colors directly on the web page. Seamless token swap anywhere. Seamless integrated token swap anywhere on the planet Earth. So basically, Kyber is a blockchain-based liquidity, my friend, protocol that aggregates liquidity from the wide range of reserve, powering instant and secure token exchange and any decentralized application. This is really cool. So basically, at high level, build with Kyber for developer, provide liquidity. Liquidity is very important because when you are with the cryptos first, you need to swap token back and forth easily without delay, instantly with low fee naturally that's come with it. So for token teams, token hodlers, and market makers. So as you can see here, join the Kyber Network for key NC holders. So I need to take some coffee before moving on. So how Kyber's on-chain protocol works out of the box. So by Kyber, it's a liquidity infrastructures for decentralized finance. I really love what I see. Kyber, it's a liquidity infrastructure for decentralized finance. So out of the box, they focus on decentralized finance. Directly on the main page, you can know that. So what you need to remember about Kyber Network, liquidity infrastructure for decentralized finance. Kyber aggregates liquidity from different sources into a single pools. So they can take one pool there, one pool those, and they aggregate, and you see everything on one big pool, which provide the best rates for takers such as the app, wallet, DEX, and end users. Transactions on Kyber are fully on-chain and thus fully transparent and verifiable. I really love that statement. Transactions on Kyber are fully on-chain, my friend, and thus fully transparent and verifiable. So they have a beautiful screen here with beautiful dots that's moving on the line. So what you need to understand at high level, reserve contribute liquidity, market makers, token project, liquidity pools, token hodlers, and they have the big basket of Kyber liquidity layers. And takers access the best rate. The takers is the end user like me who just want to use Kyber Network to swap tokens anywhere in the world, any place on the planet, just in front of my computer, and be able to swap token A to token B with the less fee possible. That's the core mission from my understanding. So basically, the end users token swap, decentralized payments, and decentralized finance. So you can even build something if you're a developer and you want to you have an idea that you want to build over Kyber Network, you can do it. And this is really cool. So build with Kyber. Come build on the walls, must use a decentralized finance. Pretty cool. Protocol. Kyber enable a wide range of decentralized use case by allowing any wallet, website, and applications to integrate instant token exchange directly into the application logic. So you can, if you don't want to wait and you want to run a marathon or sprint, build now, developer chat, you can access chat, you can interact with your peer. Pretty cool. But what is the advantages at high levels? They have instant settlement. What's that mean? Immediate token settlement. Straightforward integration. No interaction with off-chain component. Directly on-chain. Fully on-chain. I'm going to close this beautiful ads. Fully on-chain. Multiple exchanges in a single transactions. Fully transparent and verifiable. I love the way fully transparent and verifiable. It's really important in the world we live in, so you know that it's not an hackers or something. You can trust the Kyber Network protocol. Liquidity aggregation. Get the best token rates, my friend. Get the best token rate from multiple liquidity sources. Customizable business model. Ability to customize your own spread. Pretty cool. So you are the master of your destiny when you are the developer using the Kyber Network to bring your decentralized finance. So the idea you want to bring to the world, you can build over the Kyber Network. So what the metric at high levels? 1 billion plus in total volume transacted over this protocol. 1 million plus total transactions and 100 plus integrations. What can be powered by Kyber Network? I need to take some coffee before moving on. So if you enjoy this kind of content, don't hesitate to put a nice comment under this vlog, my friend, a nice comment of appreciation, or if you have any question, I will try to answer the best as I can, as well as spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, in the street, at school. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Press the bell notification to stay in touch with my content every single day at 9 a.m. Eastern time. And the most important thing, enjoy the content. And remember the name Shis of the Sheep, to name to associate with crypto and coffee. So let's go back to the essential of Kyber Network. What can powered by Kyber? Wallet and token swap services. Allow users to swap token without leaving wallet application. Integrated into your application, you can swap any token that you spread into your wallet from A to B. That is really cool. Decentralized NFT and economic payment. Accept payment in a wide range of tokens while receiving in DAI, ETH, or any token you prefer. All the application use it: Access Infinity, Decentralized, Battle Races, and many more. Exchange and trading integration. Share our source of liquidity using Kyber. And white arbitrage program that take advantage of market inefficiency. Bancor, Uniswap, Oasis, and many more. Decentralized finance. Seamlessly liquidate assets or rebalance token portfolio in a single transactions. Melon have set Fulcrum, DeFi SAP, BitToken, No, Instamp, the app, and many more. Provide liquidity as a reserve. So what's the benefit that's bring when you provide liquidity? Anyone can operate a Kyber reserve to market, make for profit, and make your token available for the app or the ecosystem. So basically, they have the Kyber Network layers. You can automated price reserve for token team and token holders. Automated yet flexible pricing system, high capital efficiency with low maintenance costs. Pretty cool. For professional market makers, customized, customizable and advantage pricing, my friend. Strategy tailored to specific needs. Bridge reserve for getting liquidity from other on-chain sources. Specialized reserve to bring liquidity from other on-chain provider into the network. Pretty cool. So you can three main advantages or three major components of this if you want to be provide liquidity as a reserve. So capital efficiency, no, capital efficient, low slippage market making. This is really cool. So they have a low slippage when you swap, because it's not cool when you want to swap at certain price, but because of the high level slippage, you get a big disproportionate of your initial cost for transacting. Increase the token exposure and usage. Earn from the spread and get rebate from volume generated. It's pretty cool. So they have a Kyber Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO, because in the crypto spheres, decentralization is the key component. And now the new way to govern or to manage decentralized ecosystem is with DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, and Kyber have one. So Kyber DAO is a community platform that allows KNC token holders to participate in governance. The KNC holders can stake KNC to vote to important proposal. In return, they receive reward in ETH from network fees collected from trading activities and Kyber Network. Pretty cool, huh? Join Kyber Network, DAO, learn about KNC. So that's the model at high levels. You have the KNC holders if you want to buy it, and I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. I'm not incentivized to provide, I'm just providing knowledge. But always do your own research, not financial advisor. So you stake your KNC token into the Kyber DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, get DAO. So that the govern. But from the fee, the network fees are redistributed back to the people who are stake the KNC holders vote to receive reward. But with the high gas fee right now on the Ethereum, you need to have a lot of WEG, and just to cover the fee, probably you need, I'm not quite sure you're going to make a profit to incentivize you to vote. If you have a big chunk of money, probably, but if you have a low user with just a small amount, probably it's not worth your time just to vote. So our Kyber DAO and KNC stakings work. You just need to click the video and you're going to learn more about this methodology of operating. So here you have the Kyber DAO partners. Reputable projects are supporting the Kyber DAO either by providing an easy way to stake KNC or participate in governance or participate in Kyber's governance. They have many projects like I'm not aware of, like Parify, Ashet, and many more. But if you want to learn more, just click the learn more and that's it. So they have testimonials that I invite you to read yourself if you want to know more about the partners that's interacting with the DAO. But if you want to stay in touch, put your email and you're going to receive alert from the Kyber Network infrastructure or protocol or the team that sent email. So let's go jump to the next sections. So before moving on, I need to take some coffee. Don't forget to subscribe to my wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee. If you enjoy this kind of content, smash the like button. Press the bell notification to get notified every single day, my friend, at 9 a.m. time, and to your YouTube's dashboard. New videos 7 days a week, Monday through Sunday. And the most important thing you can do, spread the love at your workplace and the street, at school, about this great channel, spreading the love. So anyone wants to subscribe or just press the bell notification or like a video once in a while, just for fun, spread and to help grow these channels. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions. Here is the new second section of this vlog. Kyber Network is connecting the fragmented tokenized world. everything is fragmented because every blockchains compete to take market share, but Kyber Network is connecting the fragmenting connected. This is intriguing. Kyber is our own chain liquidity protocol that can be integrated into any application of your choice to enable the exchange of token without the need for an intermediary. Because what is cool is to be able to swap a token in one operation. Instead, when you want to swap, you need to send a token to a central exchange. Then you're going to swap, you pay a fee, and then you want sometime to swap for another token, you pay a fee for twice, and then if you want to withdraw from the platform, you pay a fee for three. As soon as Ethereum is coming with event in July, when it's coming with the BIP 5059, and they're going to have the optimistic, the second layers protocol that we're going to support at high level, like everything will be a game changers, and Ethereum will move to skyrocket to the entire galaxy. So as you can, they appear on the street, Coindex, CNBC, Decrypt, Forbes, and many more. So at high levels, how this thing is work at high levels. You see, you have the on-chain liquidity protocol. That is the base layers of Kyber Network. So you can contribute liquidity or access liquidity at high levels. So who's contribute liquidity? Token holders, token teams, decentralized funds, market makers, and who need to access liquidity? Individuals, DApps, vendors, payment gateways, and decentralized funds. So as you can see here, you have three main components. Reserve, provide liquidity. What's that mean? I'm going to read that part because I think it's very important. So through an open reserve architecture, individuals, token teams, and professional market makers can contribute token assets to our liquidity pools and earn from the spread and every trade. So if you provide liquidity, you can earn from the spread of every trade. These tokens become available at the best rate across the apps that tap into the network. I love the statement here that say become available at the best rate across the app. It's important to pay less fees possible, and it's cool to have a protocol Kyber Network that optimizes to find you the best way when you want to swap a token from point A to point B, making them instantly more liquid and useful. This is cool as well. More liquid and useful, and give value for you when you use Kyber. Taker access liquidity from multiple use cases. Why you need to access liquidity? Kyber support a wide variety of decentralized use cases. For example, vendors are able to accept payment and multiple tokens on an e-commerce platform, yet receive and they preferred token. For example, DIE or ETH, and a use case that I already read from another part of the first page. I don't remember precisely, but anyways, doesn't matter. The apps can also allow users who are not their token holders to utilize their services with other tokens. And DeFi project can rebalance their token portfolio instantly, automatically with this protocol. Pretty cool. So I'm going to close this second beautiful ads from Brave. Governed by the community. That is what I like. Governed by the community. The protocol is open sources and governed by the Kyber DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. And what is cool, it's open source. So you can audit the code just to find out if they have a backdoor or something that's going to compromise your funds. Everything is there. A decentralized community of KNC holders, token holders who stake their token and collectively vote and decide on key protocol parameters. This is cool. So if you believe in Kyber Network, you can purchase, I'm not a financial advisor, and stake and be part of the evolution of the Kyber Network and interact with this Kyber DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations. Why Kyber Network? I need to take some coffee before moving on. So much to cover on this infrastructure. Don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto Coffee. Smash the like button. Psh, psh. Press the bell notification to get notified every single day, my friend, from Monday through Friday at 9 Eastern time, and spread the love about this great channel at the workplace and the street, at school, for great content of value every single day made by Satoshi. Why Kyber Network? Decentralized finance needs decentralized liquidity, and Kyber is the key infrastructure that provides the necessary liquidity for the whole ecosystem of the app to operate. Kyber liquidity system is built based on 3 design features. I'm going to just switch space, sorry about it. So as you can see, fully on-chain. Unlike off-chain or semi-off-chain systems, Kyber allows blockchain app to easily integrate with its protocol. Liquidity aggregation for the best token rates. This is really important. Best token rate. So you get most for your money. You pay less fee possible, and the protocol optimize that and set in the protocol level. So Kyber ensure the best rate by collecting liquidity from more than 40 different liquidity sources called reserves. And transparent and verifiable. All operations are fully transparent and verifiable on the blockchain. Pretty cool. So most users and integrated project and decentralized finance. So as the leader or leading liquidity infrastructures for DeFi, Kyber is being used by many projects around the world, my friend. I love that. Many projects around the world for the liquidity needs. Because when you want to trade or we have a project, you need to have liquidity. Anyone can use Kyber to build innovative applications. As you can see, those metrics, I already mentioned it on the first part of this video, on the first slide. So powered by network, they have the use case, end users token swap, decentralized payments, exchange and tradings, and decentralized finance. So they have over 47 plus source of reserves, plus 80 plus supported token that you can swap back and forth with all this beautiful ecosystem. As you can see, all this beautiful. I'm not going to enumerate them because I don't want to bore you and feel asleep when watching this video. But as you can see, it's really astonishing the level of ecosystem supported by Kyber Network. So Kyber Network will be the transaction layers for the decentralized economy. I love this statement here. Kyber Network will be the transaction layer for the decentralized economy of tomorrow. So basically, Kyber has been instrumental in the development of smart contract security, sharding, research, and decentralized applications. Kyber will enable a futures where anyone who owns tokens can easily use them in any context they want. So you have the freedom, because that's the way of them. You are your own bank. You have the freedom of your money. So you need to have the freedom to swap back and forth for other tokens, for speculations, for pay your bill. Who knows? It's your choice. One can use gold-backed tokens to buy a t-shirt in a matter of seconds. Invest in alternative fund in different part of the world, or use tokenized real estate to buy jewels for a loved one. This is a features where seamless cross-border and cross-platform value flow become a reality. So back and forth, I love that. So we want to say the transaction layers for the decentralized economy. So you have the Bitcoin created the first token, Ethereum made the creation of the new token easy, and Kyber Network make the token useful. They position themselves to be useful. That's cool. Here it's a member of, I'm not quite sure why, WBTC is IDEA and Chicago DeFi Alliance. I'm not quite sure what's that mean. Probably they are participant of this three thing. So if you want to stay in touch, put your email and you're going to receive value into your mailbox. Let's go jump to the next sections. So the Kyber Network Crystal KNC. What that means? The main cryptocurrency of this infrastructure is a utility token. So at high levels, Kyber Network KNC, it's an ERC20 utility token and an integral part of Kyber Network. KNC is the glue that connects different stakeholders of Kyber ecosystem. I love that. KNC is the glue that connects different stakeholders and Kyber ecosystem. So what is KNC used for? I need to take some coffee just before moving on. Don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Psh, psh, psh. Press the bell notification to get notified every single day from 9 years to time, Monday through Sunday. And the most important action you can do, spread the love about this great channel at the workplace and the street at school for great, outstanding content of value made by chez Satoshi. As you can see, what is KNC used for? KNC allows token holders to play a critical role in determining the incentivized system, building a wide range of stakeholders, and facilitating economy flow in the network. A small fee is charged each time a token exchange happens on the network, and KNC holders get to vote on the fee model and distribution, as well as other important decisions. Over time, as more trade and are executed, additional fee will be generating from staking reward and reserve rebate, while more KNC will be burned, because when you burn a new token, you diminish the supply, and this will have the correlation to increase the price of the Kyber network if you have an investor. So I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. So participation reward. KNC holders can stake the KNC, the key component stake. You lock the KNC into a smart contract and the Kyber DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, and vote on key parameters. Voter will earn staking reward in form of ETH token. Burning. Some of the network fee will be burned to reduce KNC supply permanently. KNC supply will decrease over time. This is really cool features. So reserve incentivized. KNC holders determine the portion of network fees that are used as rebate for liquidity provider reserve based on the volume performance. So this is really important statement here. KNC is the first decentralized staking token where staking reward and token burn are generated from actual network usage and growth of DeFi. This is really cool to position themselves with this powerful statement. So the Kyber network and KNC staking, the processes, how this thing is work. Kyber DAO, it's a community platform that allows KNC holders to participate in governance. So that you have the right to voice a meaning, so you can influence the futures of specific integration or a new policy that will enhance the infrastructure, whatever the case. You have your voice, but you need to stake your KNC. I'm not a financial advisor. I will do your own research before moving on and doing this kind of thing. KNC holders can stake KNC to vote on important proposal. So you can vote yourself when you have your right. It's like when your country, you vote for the next government. And returns, they receive reward. You have an incentive to do that in form of ETH from network fees collected from trading activity and Kyber network. So as big levels, you have the catalyst upgrade, KNC value creation, Kyber Network grow, and pro decentralized and liquidity for the ecosystem. But other that, other use case for KNC, it's important just not for the be layers of swap back and forth, but what other use cases you can use Kyber Network? You can use it for payment through the crypto.com and monolith app and Visa cards usable of million global vendor. Pretty cool. For payment on the Kyber store powered by Origin D-Shop. Pretty cool. For payment at vendor with Ponzi terminal installed. For loans, collateral, and margin trading on DeFi platform. Pretty cool. For gas fees, no fee, limit order, or kyberswap.com. So where you can store your KNC. This is another important metric to looking for. So KNC is an ERC20 token. So it can be stored on Ethereum wallet. You control below as some example. As you can see, you can store it on Ledger, MetaMask, and many more. I'm not going to read everything, but you can store this token in a lot of places. So put your email. Let's go jump to the next sections. Just before moving on, I need to take some coffee. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Press the bell notification. I release a new video every single day at 9 a.m. time from Monday through Sunday. So you're going to receive notification. And as well, spread a lot about this great channel at the workplace industry as code for great outstanding content of value made by chez Satoshi. I am on the Kyber PRO. I'm going to close this, the third ad since I'm just recording this video. It's pretty cool. So the Kyber PRO, what's that mean? The only professional framework for on-chain market making. Pretty cool. End-to-end liquidity framework for market making on-chain and connecting to all DeFi use cases, decentralized finance. So get started. So end-to-end liquidity framework. Built on top of Kyber Fed Price Reserve FPR system, Kyber PRO is the most powerful on-chain liquidity framework for advanced developer and professionals market maker to efficiently market make on the blockchain. Pretty cool. They position themselves for investors or big players out there in the financial world. On-chain market making. So as you can see, they have the Fed Price Reserve system, the full documentation guides for you to enjoy, comprehensive developer tools, technical and operation support, access to the largest network of DeFi applications. Pretty cool. Capture on-chain market making opportunities. What is behind this? Market makers that provide liquidity through Kyber PRO and enter immediately gain access to an extensive DeFi network over 100 DApp on Ethereum. Use Kyber PRO to leverage all the advantages of blockchain technology for market making and allows your liquidity to be easily utilized by the most popular DApp holders. So you provide liquidity to the app and enjoy higher profit margin. So the end goal is to be able to make the most profit. I'm not going to read that two part, so I invite you to read it yourself. But at high levels, if you're using the Kyber PRO solutions, so you provide liquidity to DApp, to over 100 DApp holders, and you're going to enjoy more profit margin. And this is really cool. So professional market making on Kyber at high level. As you can see, I'm going to just to spread here. Professional market makers PM provide most of the liquidity on Kyber and enjoy spread that are much higher than off-chain market making. So this is the game. This is the big players out there who have access to more resources. If they use Kyber Network, they can provide more liquidity, and that's the reason they have more incentivized or more like goodies to be able to provide liquidity over the Kyber Network. tailor-made for professionals market makers. Kyber Pro is designed for the market makers by market makers. I'm going to just to read the advantages at high level. I'm not going to read all the description of each thing, but at high level, it's a versatile framework, comprehensive tool suite, efficient use of inventory, pretty cool, reserve rebate, privacy protection, on-chain secure, and transparent. So the Kyber Pro resources. All the necessary tools to begin your on-chain market making journey. Streamline your operation and maximize your performance. I love that here. To begin your on-chain market journey, streamline your operations, and maximize your performance. As you can see, you have all the tools you need. You have the Fed price reserve, walkthrough, SDK, documentation, tutorial videos, and developer chat. Pretty straightforward. And this is testimonial from people who use this infrastructures of Pro Kyber Network. So I invite you to read it. So let's go jump to the last sections. This is the Kyber Tracker, all the metric. They have over the volumes of the network, over 244 million unique address. They have over 595 address. Total trade, 6,625 hours just in the last 24 hours. For alls, they have over 1.5 millions of trades that's happening. Unique address, over 100, almost 120,000 address out there. And the volumes over 5 billion in US value. And this is really cool. So you can track on the Kyber Tracker the volumes, the tokens, where's the most top tokens, the USDC Circle, that's his normal rotators, and Wappen, BTC, DAI, stablecoin. And people want to start a value into value like Bitcoin or stablecoin. A lot of traders trade again the stablecoin out there. So as you can see, they have the trade history, they have the DeFi. So all the DeFi they're using this protocol and the updates. So in the meantime, if you enjoy this kind of content for the love of crypto and coffee, subscribe to this wonderful channel right now. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. And most important thing, press the bell notification to get notified every single day from 9 a.m. every day until YouTube's dashboard. I release 7 videos from Monday through Sunday. And the most important thing is spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, industry, at school for great outstanding value every single day, my friend, made by Shay Sadashi. As well, you can come visit my outstanding website, shaysadashi.com. Subscribe to my newsletter and podcast for great content of value every day in the crypto sphere, my friends. See you tomorrow and enjoy your day and keep smiling and have fun. Ciao, ciao. See you tomorrow, 9 a.m. Bye-bye.